Hey guys, so guys, today I want to share my favorite French toast recipe. It's a Denny style French toast. I found it a while back on Pinterest and I've been making it like this ever since. It's really good, you guys. So you're gonna need a few eggs, so go ahead and take a big bowl and crack you in a few eggs. Next, we're gonna add in some whole milk. And then we're going to add in a little bit of flour, all-purpose flour. We're going to add in some sugar, a little bit of vanilla. You're going to add in some cinnamon and some salt. And then we're going to whisk this together. You want to whisk it well. You want to get all that flour incorporated with that egg and that milk. So really whisk it well until it's nice and smooth. Now you can use whatever bread you like, but I like to use the thick sliced brioche. It just gives it a little bit more flavor. Now I'm going to use a hot griddle to cook my French toast. I like cooking it on this griddle. I went ahead and added a little bit of butter to the top. And then you're going to dip your bread on both sides in the batter. Only for about 5 to 6 seconds. You don't want to soak up too much of the batter, but you want to soak up enough. And then you're going to cook your French toast for about 2 minutes on each side. You only want to have your griddle up to about a 2. For me, low and slow for cooking French toast works better because it ensures that the inside is cooked well. So I don't ever go above a 2 in the heat settings on my griddle. Now you just want to let it cook for a couple of minutes on both sides until it's golden brown and little bits of crispiness on the edges. And then we're going to add some warm maple syrup. Sprinkle on some powdered sugar for visual effects. I usually don't add the powdered sugar, that's just for the tube. I promise you this French toast is so amazing. My son's favorite, it's Babe's favorite. You're gonna love it. Yum.